Here's what surprises most SQL developers. In MongoDB, you don't need to define a schema before inserting data. You can add a document in a single line. To insert a document into a MongoDB collection, you call insertOne on the collection object. The full syntax is db dot, then your collection name, dot insertOne, and you pass a JavaScript object containing your field value pairs. For inserting multiple documents in a single operation, use insertMany instead and pass an array of objects. These two methods are the foundation of all MongoDB write operations. Here's something MongoDB handles automatically. Every document requires a unique _id field. If you don't include one, MongoDB generates an ObjectId for you, a 12-byte identifier built with timestamp, a machine ID, and a counter. You can supply your own custom id if needed, but letting MongoDB auto-generate the ObjectId is standard practice. The object you pass is stored internally as BSON, binary JSON, which extends standard JSON to support dates, binary data, and ObjectIds. After a successful insert, MongoDB returns a result object with two important fields: acknowledged, which is true when the write completed, and insertId, which gives you back the id of the newly created document. Use insertOne or insertMany, pass a JSON-like object, let MongoDB generate the _id, and confirm success with the returned insertId. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.